Edison International Model School, 10th grade, 10, 12, 2020, قاسم شطناوي. Hi. Yesterday we do this experiment, as you know, which is the ruler when we want to catch it. The ruler when we catch it. We said that you must catch the ruler at the top, and the second boy tried to catch this ruler. Now when the first one dropped it suddenly, the second one tried to catch it, and maybe he succeed, maybe he not. It depends on his reaction. Reaction. Oh, sorry. Reaction. Now, reaction ردة الفعل. Now, we said yesterday that there is a message from your eye. We said this. This is a person with his eye. This is his eye, and okay. Now, when a message goes from the eye to the brain, yes, to the brain, it takes some time. The message takes that. Message takes time. Now, how long is this time? It depends on. But if there is a short time, it's okay. A long time, it's okay. But there is time. For that, the brain orders the hand to catch. And I think there is many things like this. Now look, when there is a mosquito comes to your face, or a fly, or a butterfly comes to you, a bee, نحلة, mosquito, ناموس. When it comes to your face, there is a message from your ear. If it is a mosquito, from your ear to the brain, and from the brain to your hand to take action. And if you see a fly or butterfly or a bee, from your eye to your brain, there is a message, and the brain orders the hand to do something, or your legs, and so on. Now if you see a monster وحش, the brain orders your legs to run away. Sometimes the brain orders all of our body, let's say, to bend ينحني, or to throw itself down, ممكن to lay down ننبطح على الأرض, or to jump نقفز. Suppose that while you are walking, you see a snake أفعى, or scorpion, عقرب. The brain asks your legs to jump over this dangerous thing. Okay. Now there is another experiment to see. Now if we go to our activity book on page 27, you see this paper, paper, and yesterday I do this like the roller. Now do it with your partner, with your friend, with your sister, with your brother, and any member of your family. Let's say, while you are throwing the or take off the paper suddenly, and the other one tries to catch it. It depends on. Now, if you practice it more and more, you can catch it. You can catch it, and the reaction will be quicker. Today we have another. Today we have another experiment. This experiment is very easy. Yes, it is very easy, and you can do it at your home with your family, and you can do it anywhere with your friends. Now I will do it. Now look, this is a cup, and this is a piece of card or a paper. Yes, a piece of car or carton, and I'm looking for a coin. قطعة نقدية. Yes, I have. Now look, it's easy. Just to put the coin in the middle of the card. This coin is in the middle of the card, and you try to let the coin go inside this cup by throwing away this card. Look, it needs a fast movement. Look, this is the coin. Do it again. Look, this is on the card. Now if you do it slowly, this card takes the coin out of the cup. But if you do it quickly, the coin is inside the cup. Now we have many experiments. I think you can make a video of a new experiment. Do it with your brother, with your sister. I want to see your hands and experiment. Do a video like these things, these experiments, and send it to me. Now what I want you to do is now to write the findings, explanation وصف of both experiments. What happened? شو اللي قاعد بصير؟ يعني انت الآن لما انك انت تعمل هذا الحكي, when you push the card, when you take off your fingers and so on, what happened? You can next lesson I will write on the board what happened, or I explain the findings for the first experiment and for the second experiment. Now I will finish my lesson to let you write. Now if you want to look at 11, work in pairs, carry out the following experiment with paper, use the pictures and the words to describe the experiment. Describe the experiment. Describe the experiment. Now description how to describe? It's like this. It's like this. One, ask to hold up a ruler. Then to ask about to drop it suddenly. فجأة. Then to look where your hands on the ruler. It means at the number. And 3, repeat this experiment more times. Now if you catch it faster each time, look at the numbers at the last time and write it. Now write these and for the first experiment, for the second experiment, and your findings here. Next lesson, inshallah, I will write it to you. But first, I want to see your writing. Send it to me on my special number. What's about on the Whats, and I will write your names, inshallah. Thank you today, and see you later, inshallah.